Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to use different notifications for different apps. For example, you have a specific app that you want to use a specific notification on. I'm going to show you exactly how to set that up on your Samsung device. So first things first, we want to go to settings. Alright, so we're gonna need to check something first. So we're gonna go to notifications, then advanced settings, and you want to ensure that manage notification categories for each app is enabled. All right, and once that is enabled, you go to apps and you basically select the app that you want to use a specific sound for. All right, so let me just do a quick example here. Let me just find an app. Alrighty, let me use let me just find a good one here. Alright, let me use messages. Alright, so you go into messages, alright, and you go into notifications, and you're gonna want to go to notification categories. Alright, and they will show you the different options. So general notifications, new messages. So let's say you get new messages, you want to change the sound, so you go into sound and you can select any sound notification from the list here, right, and it will apply. And you can just do these steps with different apps as you choose to. All right, and that's how you do it.